everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my subscribers. As always, thank you for all of your support. So today I have a new tutorial. It's a folio, but it's got a different spin on the traditional waterfall. So we're going to do flip outs. We're going to do single and double flip outs. So let's take a look at the inside, and we have a simple notepad over here, and here is where the fun begins. So I have a pocket here, and I have a flip out, another pocket, and another pocket. And there are journaling cards on the inside, and we flip it up the way we would a waterfall. And here we have a double flip out. And if you take a look, you'll see journaling cards in these pockets, journaling cards, journaling cards, journaling cards. And then we have a single flip out. And there are journaling cards, journaling cards, journaling cards. And another pocket here on the end with a journaling card. So how did I do this? Let's take a look. Okay, so here's what you'll need. So I've done some pre-work to things to keep the video moving along. So for the cover, this is a pretty thick cardstock. This is a 110 pound. You can certainly use something that's lighter. This is just what's in my stash. And this is 10 by 5.5. And I scored at 4 7/8. I scored again at 5 1/8. And that gave me a little bit of a spine as you're building up your waterfall with the flip outs. It's going to get a little bit thick, so having this helps. Okay, then I have this little inner backing card, and this is
4.5 by slightly under 5.5.
Okay, the next thing that you'll need, and you will need 3 of these. This is the main waterfall cards, and these measure 4 inches by 4.5 inches, and then you are going to score at 3/4 of an inch. Okay, and you'll also need, remember the large pocket that I had? That was 4.5 by 3 inches. So I'm going to get this part glued down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue on the back here, and I'm going to glue that right here at the top. And then I'll do the same with the other 2. And I'm going to just butt that up right next to this one, and then I'll do the same thing with the 3rd one. I'll get glue on this side and then butt that right up against this. Okay, so I'm going to glue these things down. I'm going to glue down my pocket as well, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we have the base part done here. The base of the folio. Okay, and remember you saw me do some flip outs. So here's what you'll need. You'll need 3 of these. They're all the same size. Okay, and these measure 8 1/4 by 3 inches.
Score at 4.5.
You'll need an additional card. And this card is 4.5 by 3 inches, and you're going to score at 3 3/4 inches. You'll take one of these bigger pieces, and you're going to glue this in the back. And this is how you're going to get that double flip out that you saw me do. Okay, now the reason why I had to break it up this way, if you look here, this is essentially 12 inches. If I had paper that was 12 inches long, I would have scored at 3 3/4 and 8 1/4, but I didn't, so I had to break it up this way. Okay, all right, So what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue the single one on the first flip out, and then I'm going to do the double one on this one, on the middle one here, right? I'm going to glue that down like this, right? Right. Remember to glue this part on here first. Then once this is secure, then you're going to glue on the back on 3 sides, and you'll glue that down here. And the last one will be a single flip out. So let me do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's starting to look more like that final product you saw. Here's our flip out, here's our double flip, and then here's our single flip. Okay, and we've got pockets. All right, so you saw that I had some smaller pockets here, and you will need 8 of these. The measurements are the following. The measurements are 3 3/4 by 2 1/2, and I notched out the center. And you're going to put those here. You're going to put one here, and then you'll put one on the inner flip, and then you'll do one on this side, one on this side. Same thing here, one on this side, one on this side. And then with the last one, one on this side, one on this side. And then you will also need a few tabs. You're going to need 4. Okay, so let me get those smaller pockets on. Let me get the tab on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got cards in here, I've got my tabs on, and then the last thing we're going to do is our little notepad, and this is 4 1/2 by 5 3/8. And we'll just get that glued down. And then we are done. Okay, so this is the single and double flip out waterfall. And how you decorate the back cover and the front cover, I am going to leave that to you. Take care, everyone, and see you next time. Okay, everyone, if you like this video, please share, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.